permission to give all. We are able to document. Please come. Inspire the factor of the group. What is the group name? Please come. Yeah, please take your seat and introduce yourself. What is your name? Start with. What is your name?
My name is Abhinandan Mohanta.
Mohanta?
Yes.
Abhinandan Mohanta.
Yes.
Okay. You are from which place and what is your qualification?
I am from Madhuraj.
Madhuraj.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have completed my BTech in electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which year?
In 2013, sir.
2013. So what you are doing for the last 2 years? What are you doing?
First, I tried to getting some job in electrical sector.
Yes.
First year, I wanted to go to Hyderabad or Bangalore to try, but my father retired in 2013, so I had some financial problems. I could not go.
Okay.
Then I got an option to try in banking sector and other sectors, in government sectors. So I decided to go for banking.
Since when you are preparing for banking?
In 2014 last.
2014.
14.
Yes. So you have joined an institute for study?
Yes.
Did you join an institute or at home only you are studying?
No, sir, I joined the institute.
Which one?
I joined Quest.
Since?
Since I joined Quest in 2015.
Okay, very good. Okay. So since then you are preparing for this?
Yes, sir.
RRB. Can you tell me what is RRB?
RRB means regional rural banks mainly set up to provide rural people finance for the loans and other development purposes.
Rural.
Especially focusing rural.
Special focus. Special focus is rural.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me something about Khusru committee? Heard about that?
No, sir.
No. Narsimham committee?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Nursing home is first set up. Nursing home is set up to sorry, sir.
Yes, please. Say. Go. Speak. To set up?
Nursing home gave the idea to set up RRB in 1975.
Okay. On which date the first RRB was opened and which was the bank?
I can remember the date for the first bank was Patna Gramin Bank sponsored by Syndicate Bank.
Which place? Which state?
Yes, sir, I can remember.
It was on Gandhi Jayanti Day. Gandhi Jayanti Day. Which date?
October 2nd October.
Yes. It was opened, the first Patna Gramin Bank was opened on that day. Coincided with Gandhi Jayanti.
Yes.
Then what happened? No, earlier there were so many RRBs. It went up to 196.
Yes.
But now how many are there? In India, and why it happened?
Now total there are 56 RRBs.
Okay. Why it has come down?
The RRB were constantly making loss. They are not doing profit, so the government decided to.
Government on whose recommendation decided?
Sorry, sir.
Again, National Committee. National Committee recommended, Kusur Committee recommended that should be consultation. They should be merged with sponsor banks. Then again, National Committee also said that they can be merged with sponsor bank, but they have to decide whether identity of the RRB will be maintained or not. Then what are other changes took place? One was merger. What are the other most important thing to improve profitability? What was decided? What was recommended by National Committee? They cannot be forced to give to the target group alone. They can give to others as well, beyond the target group. Otherwise, you know what is the point? How can they make profits? They cannot. That way, there was a merger took place and RRB started giving to other clients also, other than the target group. Industries, big farmers. You know. What is the private sector target for RRBs?
Private sector first, agriculture, financing.
Target. Total private sector advances, how much minimum the RRB should be?
That's what I do.
Acha. Do RRBs maintain capital adequacy ratio?
Yes.
Yes. What is the present? Okay. CRR is a
Yes, sir. CRR also is maintained by
what percentage?
same as commercial bank, 3.75%.
3.75.
Yes.
What do you understand by CRR?
CRR means cash ratio is a certain amount of cash or a certain percentage of cash which is calculated
It is monitored on a fortnightly basis.
Yes.
How do they have to maintain? Where they have to maintain?
They have to maintain with the Reserve Bank of India.
Reserve Bank of India. You say for
In the same case.
in their current account, the balance in the current account is monitored fortnightly basis. It is not cash. The balance in the current account with RBI. That is as good as cash. What interest they get on that balance? Do they get interest? If you keep a savings bank account with us, any bank, you will give you interest. So does RRB give on the CRR balance to banks any interest?
No, sir.
They don't give. What is SLR?
SLR means statutory liquidity ratio. This is also some percentage of their liquid assets, which the banks have to maintain with the Reserve Bank of India.
It is certain percentage of liquid assets.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is safe for?
Assets of government securities, bonds, and also it can be gold.
It can be gold.
Yes.
It cannot be cash.
No, sir.
It cannot be cash. Read all this. You are not very clear. It is monitored on a.
Sorry, sir.
It is monitored on quarterly basis, monthly basis, daily basis. How?
Sorry, sir.
Daily basis. CRR fortnightly basis. SLR daily basis. Under which act it is a requirement?
No, sir.
No. Okay. CRR. Reserve Bank of India Act 1994. Whereas SLR is banking rules. What is the function of RBI?
RBI is the main. Yeah, but with the government. Sorry, sir. Can I start again?
RBI start.
RBI is the regulator and controller of monetary policy of India. It regulates any type of banks and their rules regulation is done by RBI. It is the controller of money market in India, the banker to the banks and also government, state government and both.
You will control state government.
No, sir, banker to the state government.
Banker to state government. What do you understand by PCA? Prompt corrective action.
No, sir.
It is part of the regulatory function of RBI. Any idea?
No, sir.
How many currency printing presses are there?
No, sir.
Then, what is the effect of demonetization in your opinion on the economy?
Demonetization was good in some cases, but there are many people who have to suffer a lot to get money.
What are the benefits of demonetization?
Benefits was that first the money laundering was caught due to a certain level.
Money laundering was caught. How?
The people who had lots of black money, they have stored in their house in anything. So they could not go to bank and to.
Lot of black money is unearthed.
Yes, sir.
Then came out.
Yes, sir.
Some lot of them were deposited in banks and
Some people also succeed to make them white.
okay, make them white. Okay, what happened? Then what else? What are the other benefits? What are the other effects?
Otherwise, the faking currency also has.
Fake currencies were rendered invalid.
Yes, sir.
You don't know. Then what else?
Also, the capital of banks also.
Capital. How?
Capital also is the deposits of bank also go to.
Went up.
Yes.
So anything else? Any revenue? Did you get yield any revenue to the government? For taxation? No. So then what are any adverse effect of demonetization?
Yes, sir, there are some adverse effects.
What is it?
People want to stay, people have to stood in queue for a long time to get exchange their notes.
That's hardship
Yes, sir.
for exchange. Anything? What economic effect?
Economic effect, the business okay,
ओडियन को speak up if you know the concept. कौन मामला है? Economically how it affected the country or likely to affect the country?
after କିଛି particular market କିଛି particular ଜିନିଷ sales ଆମର କମିଲା GDP growth 7.6 ଥିଲା last quarter ରେ
Production कमिला.
7.1
may lead to reduction in GDP.
yes sir
Okay, then
କିଛି ଜିନିଷ ରେଟ୍ କମିଲା କିଛି ଜିନିଷ ରେଟ୍ ବଢ଼ିଲା ଯେହେତୁ ସେଲ୍ ହେଲାନି ସେମାନେ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହେଇକି ଜିନିଷ ରେଟ୍ କମ୍ ଥିଲା ବି ବଢ଼େଇଲେ।
Okay. What is your hobby?
Don't have any hobbies.
You are not accepted. You don't do anything when you are not studying or doing household work. You don't do anything.
Yes, sir.
For you, household work also will be a hobby. If you are doing,
Yes, sir.
what is that? What is your hobby? What interests you other than studying?
Shortly, I like to watching movies.
Then that can be told. That is my hobby. What sort of movies you watch?
All types of movies.
All types of movies. So there are two movies, Hindi movies, very successful, very popular, very famous.
Also nominated for Oscar.
It is stated that motivation and teamwork can succeed, can do anything. Which are those movies? Two movies mostly.
Recently,
Sometime back.
In some way related to sports or any sports person. Example.
the past MS Dhoni.
Nahin. What I'm saying, the subject was related to sports. But that depicted that motivation and teamwork can lead to great success.
Yes, sir.
That is has been depicted in the movies.
Logan.
Very good. Then,
Sorry, sir.
any other two? I said two.
Logan and Chakti India was very good.
So what was the message of Chakra India?
Chakti India, anything, Chakti India basically focus on teamwork.
Yes, then
Teamwork and hard working.
motivation.
Yes, sir.
What the protagonist was doing, Shahrukh Khan, what he was doing all the time.
Just motivating motivating.
The he was telling, I belong to this state. He said, no, you first time he did. He is not. You remember?
Yes.
Okay. Then, watching movies. You watch only Hindi movies.
Yes, sir. I also was.
Who is your favorite actor in Hindi movies?
My favorite actor was American.
Amir Khan.
Yes.
Recently, one of his movies has become a great hit. What is it?
Longos.
Download. What do you understand by Dada Saheb Phalke Award?
Other side factor was the highest award given by Indian government for awesome electronic film industry.
Name a family in Bollywood
Yes.
which has got already 3 awards, Dada Saheb Phalke Awards.
Kapoor family, sir.
Who are the people who got?
So Prithviraj Kapoor got, then Raj Kapoor.
Hmm.
And next, I'm not sure, but I think it was Sony.
The youngest son. Who is he?
Who's the
No, he is not youngest son, brother.
brother of who, sir?
Raj Kapoor. Youngest son of Prithviraj Kapoor.
Yes, sir.
Who?
Rishi Kapoor, sir.
Rishi Kapoor is son of Raj Kapoor.
Sorry, sir.
Sasi Kapoor.
Sasi.
Who, after whom the Nobel Prize is named?
It was named after Alfred Nobel, sir.
Alfred Nobel.
Yes.
What did he do?
He invented dynamics.
He invented a chemical which was used for preparing dynamite.
Yes.
That's name a family which has got 4 Nobel Prizes.
Yes, Madam Curie family got 4 Nobel Prizes.
Husband, wife, then
His daughter, her daughter, and son also.
Dr. Sunil.
Yes, sir.
Who is the person who got the first Nobel Prize for India? And what was his work?
Rabindranath Tagore got first Nobel Prize for India for his work in Gitanjali.
Very good. Who is known as Babuji?
He knows right.
Huh?
He knows right.
You do not. Who is Meera Kumar?
Meera Kumar
Yes, Meera Kumar.
knows right.
Who is known as the Frontier Gandhi?
So, sir.
Frontier Gandhi. Frontier Gandhi. Simanta Gandhi.
Ismail is a. Sorry, sir, I can't remember.
I have forgotten. I think you must have studied. You have forgotten.
Rafat Khan.
Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan.
Yes.
Nahin. Achha, name 3 personalities from our state
Yes, sir.
who have got Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian award. Anybody has got Padma Vibhushan from Odisha?
Yes, what, sir, I can't.
Forgotten. Padma Shri? Anybody? You remember? So many have got. You are from which state? You said which place? Okay. Anybody from Western Odisha who has got last year?
Sorry, sir.
You do not. Anybody who has got Padma Shri from Odisha? You remember?
Only Sanjukta Panike.
Okay. He got for what?
He got for Odisha.
Okay. Who was her guru?
Her guru was Kerucha.
So did he not get Padma Vibhushan?
Yes, sir. He also.
He got Padma Vibhushan, not Padma Shri. He got Padma Vibhushan. Then who else? In Padma Shri? Who is Sudarshan Patnaik?
He is
Standard.
Standard.
Did he not get?
Yes, sir. Recently.
Who is Raghunath Pandey?
Sir.
You do not know. Husband of Raghunath Pandey, great singer. Who is Prabhulakar? Prabhulakar is ex-speaker. Prabhulakar, singer, music director. He also got. Okay. Okay. How many MLAs are there in our assembly?
147 MLAs in our assembly.
How many?
147.
147. Out of that, how many say BJP?
No, sir.
Who is our speaker?
Yes, sir.
Who is the Chief Justice of Orissa?
No, sir.
Who is the Chief Justice of India?
Recently appointed.
It has actually recently changed, but you should remember, huh? You should remember who is that person. Who is the Chief of ICICI Bank? Chandra. How many deal SIB banks are there, and what do you understand by deal SIB?
No, sir.
You do not know. Okay. What is your hobby?
These are watching movies.
Watching movies, you said, okay.
What is a lead bank? Lead bank. LEAD. You don't know. What is a sponsored bank?
So there was rural regional gas. The bank will sponsor 50% capital for setting up rural gas.
15% capital. Sponsor.
35% capital for setting up rural gas. That bank is called sponsor bank.
Which is the lead bank of your district? Mayurhanj. District is Mayurhanj?
Yes, ma'am.
Why your district is known as Mayurhanj? Can you tell me the name of lead bank of Mayurhanj?
No, ma'am.
Then why your district is Mayurhanj, you don't know. Try to find a right answer for it. Why it is named so? In whose name? Okay. Tell us something about the recent processes by which money can be transferred without physically transferring. What are the various, you can say these are digital gateways, how you can just...
Remittance.
Yes, remittances.
So recently someone was being was like scheme was released by central government.
What is BHIM? BHIM.
Scheme.
What does it stand for? Bharat?
No, madam.
Bharat interface for money. What you told me? It was a, what it was? What it is? This BHIM. Sir? It's a mobile application. You don't know, you know, you are not able to see. Okay, apart from that,
There are also some payments
like
SBI Mingle.
SBI Mingle.
Vodafone M-Pesa.
sorry.
Recently, ICICI Bank reduced. No. Which domestic bank recently opened a bank in Burma, Myanmar?
SBI.
SBI. What do you understand by Lakshmi?
Lakshmi is the first robot introduced by Karnataka.
City Union Bank. Where? Which place?
City Union Bank in Chennai.
Chennai.
Well, suppose you are getting a chance to learn that 100% officer. You got a question in a rural place. You find that the senior, that the branch manager. There are two officers, branch manager there and you are there. Branch manager is involved in many unethical practices, which is not expected of him, which is not up to that. Up to you.
she is my senior. So first I will try to whether it is affecting them in any way or not. I will try to find if it is not good for them, then I will try to discuss with him politely. Sir, this is not, I should do. You are senior to what who will learn from me, but others will learn from you. I can just discuss it, not anything I can do. If it becomes more harmful, then I can inform this senior.
So, not to incur the wrath of your manager. You will incur the wrath of your manager. He will not be happy with you. He can also spoil your career.
Yes, sir.
What will you do?
Can spoil my career. If I am not doing anything wrong, so I don't think you will be able to spoil my career. I am doing the right thing. So I am not doing anything illegal. I would like to go through the process. To whatever is the process, I would like to do according to the process or according to the rules and regulations. Not outside anything. I do my personal knowledge or personal experience.
What do you understand by financial inclusion?
Financial inclusion means provide finance include women, especially underprivileged society, underprivileged people of our country into financial activities, mainly into banks.
Exactly is the idea about financial inclusion. What the purpose?
It's
What is the purpose of financial inclusion concept?
purpose is to every family or at least every family should have a bank account.
To reach out to each and every family, to reach out to people those who are either to include or excluded from the financial services at affordable cost.